3, 2, 1, jump!
Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we'll be taking a quick look at the Yeyian Sigurd 2503 curved gaming monitor. This gaming monitor measures 23.8 inches across and comes with some really interesting features. It supports Full HD at 1080p with a refresh rate of 200Hz. That's right, you heard me, 200Hz. It also comes with a fast response time of 1 millisecond and supports adaptive sync. The screen is an LED VA panel and has a 1650 curve with an aspect ratio of 16.9. The monitor has only two inputs, HDMI and DisplayPort, but it does come with a 3-watt built-in speaker. Alright, so let's do a quick unboxing and put the monitor together, and we'll see how it looks. So we'll see in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Yeyian Sigurd 2503 23.8 Full HD curved gaming monitor. It supports Full HD 1080p, 23.8 screen. It's got 1 millisecond response time. Has a curved display, supports adaptive sync, and refresh rate of up to 200Hz. Okay, let's take a look inside the box. Okay, here we have the stand. There's the foot. Okay, there's a screw that goes with the stand and the foot. Okay, the power pack to power up the monitor. We also have a HDMI cable and a power cable. This is the US plug. Okay, let's take a look at the monitor itself. What I noticed is that this monitor has the edge-to-edge, very thin bezel there, so you'll get the full kind of screen with no bezel, so that should be good for gaming. Okay, let's have a look at the connectors. Here we have the power connector, and there's the HDMI port and also a DisplayPort. That's the speaker input as well. All right. Also the back, you'll notice that there's 4 mounts here. So that's the VESA mount, and you'll be able to mount this onto any VESA arm that's compatible with that, and you could mount this how you like it. All right, let's construct this and see how it looks. Alright, so we finished putting the monitor together, and it's quite easy construction. All there is the base and the stand, and one screw that connects the base to the stand, and there's a clip which locks the actual stand in place. Yeah, it does the tilt up and down, however it hasn't got the swivel, so it's kind of just fixed with that. Yeah, it's quite a nice monitor, curved monitor, gaming monitor with 200Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, supports Full HD and adaptive sync. And you can see the very thin bezel right here. The screen goes to edge, which is quite nice. Alright, so we'll see how this monitor looks and feels when we power it up and see if it actually supports 200Hz. So we'll see in a bit. After putting the monitor to the test with several hours of full HD gaming at 1080p, we were quite pleased with the results. The screen is bright and crisp with a decent contrast ratio of 3000. It also boasts an impressive refresh rate of 200Hz and a fast response time of 1 millisecond, all of which delivers a smoother gaming experience. Spec-wise, the gaming monitor features a 23.8-inch LED VA panel and supports adaptive sync, which helps to reduce tearing and stuttering during gameplay. The monitor has a 1650 curve and offers Full HD with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. It's also equipped with one DisplayPort, one HDMI and one 3.5mm output jack. It also has two 3-watt speakers built in as well. The Yeyian Sigurd 2503 curved gaming monitor has exceeded all my expectations, with an impressive 200Hz refresh rate and a super fast response time of 1 millisecond. You'll never find a better spec'd gaming monitor at this incredible price of only $199 US. You can check out the full review on our website at Funkykit.com. And there you have it. That was a quick look at the Yeyian Sigurd 2503 curved gaming monitor. A 24-inch gaming monitor that offers a refresh rate of 200Hz as well as a fast 1 millisecond response time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description and visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.